In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can add shapes to your composition in Cavalry. So in your composition, you have this toolbar to the left and you have several shapes you can choose. Let's take the square, the rectangle tool. So select it and then you can either drag here in your viewport to get the shape, or you can just left click. Now as you can see, my attribute editor, now all my shapes are visible and I can have a maximum of 4 at once. If you just want to have the layer visible you have selected, then you can click this live mode option here and then it will just show you the layer you have selected. So now you have added a shape. Here in the attribute editor you can also change lots of things. You can change the fill color like this. You can change the stroke if you want a stroke. You can have mask and advanced, but that's for another video. Now in the shape, you can also change the rotation, the position, the scale, skew and pivot, the opacity of your shape, the blend mode. Then you have the deformers. We will take a look at that later. You can even add motion blur if you're going to animate your shape, but you can also change the shape you're using. Let's say you added a rectangle, but you really wanted an ellipse, you can change it here. And then you can see that also all the other options related to that shape change with it. And in the options here, you can also make your corners rounded if you want to. And you can also change the size here and hold down the other option if you want to change both width and height together. That's also an option. And there are lots of other things, but that's basically how you can add and adjust a shape really quickly in Cavalry. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.